Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. Another launch this year was unsuccessful. ABL Space Systems RS1 rocket launched on its very first orbital mission on Tuesday, January 10th, rising over path at the Pacific Spaceport Complex on Alaska's Kodiak Island. The two-stage rocket fell short on the debut flight, failing to deliver a pair of cubesats to low Earth orbit as planned. After liftoff, RS1 experienced an anomaly and shut down prematurely. ABL Space Systems is an American private company based in California, undertaking launch vehicle and launch systems technology development using 3D printing. It was founded in 2017. The RS1 is a launch system using two stages. Both stages are powered by ABL's E2 rocket engine, with 9 in the first stage and 1 in the second stage. They use kerosene as fuel and liquid oxygen as an oxidizer. The RS1 is capable of carrying a payload of 1,350 kilograms to low Earth orbit. Launches are planned to be sold for $12 million per flight. In addition to the RS1 launch vehicle, ABL is developing the GSO launch system, which features easy transportation and deployment. This ground-based system fits into standard shipping containers and can be installed anywhere in the world where there is a flat ground. The failed launch was the first orbital launch for ABL systems. The rocket was to launch two technology demonstration satellites from the US company Omnitech into polar orbit. Today, to launch small satellites, you either have to wait for SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to launch and send satellites as additional payloads, or choose lightweight launch vehicles designed directly to launch small satellites. Rocket Lab has dominated the small satellite launch market in recent years with its Electron rocket, which has more than 30 orbital flights under its belt. Other companies are also trying to carve out their own spots in this field. Virgin Orbit, for example, had 4 successful launches in a row before the recent failure. And Firefly Aerospace successfully put 7 satellites into orbit with its Alpha rocket in October 2022. The success of the debut mission would allow ABL Space Systems to enter the small satellite launch market. In long run, however, failure is not likely to be a serious obstacle for ABL. After all, debut rocket flights often do not go according to plan. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.